Let's spice up your New Yorkers with the 3 different types of arm styling. Arm up. First of all, you have to know when to bring your arm up, when you should start this action. Not during the check in very last moment. You have to bring your arm starting with the side step. So your arm is already commenced the action up. And if you see, I'm not covering my face. It's on my opposite side of my head. So now when I have a rotation, my arm is going all the way up. And then I can make a check. I will show you from another side, from the back, so you can see it. So I have a side step, my arm comes movement up. Now when I have a check, my arm is very close to my ear, not sideways, because in this case your shoulder will be out. Keep your arm closer to your ear, and when you take a check position, you can do the extra, but this extra will happen not because of the arm, it will happen because you should stretch and bring your chest up. Let's try together with the side step with the left arm. Arm up, rotation, check, and come back. Let's try with the right arm and transfer your body weight, arm up, all the way up through the rotation, check. You can add a little bit more stretch, step back and reverse. And now I'm gonna show you from this side. We will try both sides. And side step, arm, rotation, arm up, check, step back, come back, and other side, arm up, rotation, check, step back, come back. Hands on your waist during New Yorkers. Let's begin with the side step. Keep your hand on your waist already. Create the rotation action into New York, but make sure that your elbow is sticking to the side. It not follows your hip rotation. Keep it, so that way you can show a nice and beautiful line, and you can showcase that your hips are in rotation. While if you will turn your elbow together with your hip, you will look flat. Yes, keep it, return back, side step. Let's practice it one more time. Rotation, check, step back to the side. And again, side, rotation, keep your tummy in, that the hand will help you, and side step. Let's change the side. We're gonna do the same, side step, rotation, keep your elbow to the side, check, step back, and side step. Again, side step, rotation, check, back, side, and one more time, side, rotation, check, back, side. Hand on your head. Let's start with the side step. Now, it's important that you commence your arm action already with the side step. So even if you give and you hold two-hand hold position, right? You still, during the rotation, you have to connect your hand with your body and slide your hand all the way up to your neckline and to your head. Now imagine that you have a flower on the right side of your head. Keep this position, open your elbow maximum back and step back, return. One more time, slide your hand during rotation, check, open your fingers like a flower on the side of your head, back and side step. And again, slide your hand, check, step back and return. Let's try with another side. And side step, slide, keep your fingers open, step back to the side. And again, slide during the rotation. Open your fingers, back step, and step to the side. One more, side step, slide, check, step back and return.